This video compares FindPenguins and Polarsteps, two popular travel apps. Choosing the right travel app can completely change how you document and share your adventures without dealing with complex tools. Both apps provide easy ways to track your trips and memories. FindPenguins and Polarsteps both help travelers map their journeys and create digital travel diaries. The core difference lies in their approach. FindPenguins focuses on community and detailed trip planning, while Polarsteps emphasizes automatic location tracking and visual storytelling. FindPenguins is a travel app designed to help users plan, document, and share their trips with a strong social aspect. It allows travelers to manually add trips, upload photos, and write detailed journal entries. Users can create personalized travel maps and itineraries, making it ideal for those who want to plan carefully and share stories with a community of like-minded explorers. The app supports offline access, so you can update your travel log even without internet. Its strengths include detailed trip customization, community engagement through shared experiences, and integration with other travel tools. However, it requires more manual input compared to automatic tracking apps, which can be time-consuming for casual users. FindPenguins suits travelers who enjoy crafting detailed travel narratives and connecting with fellow travelers for inspiration and advice. Polarsteps is a travel tracking app that automatically logs your route using GPS, creating a visually appealing travel journal with minimal effort. It captures your location in real time, adding photos and notes along the way to build a dynamic travel map. This automatic tracking makes it perfect for travelers who want to focus on their journey without manually updating their logs. Polarsteps offers a clean, intuitive interface with beautiful maps and trip summaries that can be shared with friends and family. Its main strength is the effortless documentation requiring very little user input once set up. On the downside, it depends on GPS and internet connectivity for real-time updates, which might be a limitation in remote areas. Polarsteps is ideal for travelers seeking a hands-off, visually rich way to capture their adventures without the hassle of manual entry. FindPenguins and Polarsteps serve different traveler needs. FindPenguins excels in detailed trip planning and community interaction, great for users who want to craft rich stories and connect with others. Polarsteps shines with automatic GPS tracking and beautiful visual summaries, ideal for travelers who prefer effortless, real-time documentation. If you enjoy customizing your travel diary and engaging with a travel community, FindPenguins offers more control. For those who want to focus on the experience and let the app handle the tracking, Polarsteps provides a seamless, visually stunning solution. Both apps allow sharing with friends and family, but differ in user involvement and update methods. The choice depends on whether you prefer manual storytelling or automatic journey logging. Choose FindPenguins if you want detailed trip planning, active community engagement, and a customizable travel journal with offline capabilities. Polarsteps is best for travelers who want effortless, automatic tracking and beautiful visual travel logs. It simplifies documenting your journey so you can focus on the experience. Both apps are excellent, but your choice depends on how involved you want to be in creating your travel story.